Luna could for the most part hit a limit of $3.63 toward the finish of 2023. Land 2.0 with a potential flood could basically go as high as $20.76 toward the finish of 2030. Land was among the most quickly developing computerized monetary forms that cleared the cryptographic money market. The new-to-stake occasion required another land, to the more seasoned one which is presently land exemplary. Land's unique component is a critical inspiration in disposing of the mining hindrance in a significant manner. Luna, the local resource of the convention, which is being utilized in digging and for organization. It has introduced an upset as a completely decentralized installment instrument that substitutes the customary installment layer on the highest point of the blockchain. Somehow or another, it increments straightforwardness by eliminating the requirement for delegates or approval. Subsequently, as opposed to particular computerized monetary standards, for example, BTC in an unpretentious way, Land's local coin, Luna, capabilities as a configurable resource that handles execution, versatility, and accessibility challenges. Be that as it may, after the series of sad occasions, financial backers still in every practical sense hold worries over Land 2.0. This review delineates the doable cost expectations for 2023 and the years to come. Luna is a configurable resource that handles execution, versatility, and accessibility worries incredibly. The above elements will expand its luminance on the lookout, and the bulls might take over to, in every practical sense, impel its cost to ascend to new highs. Land 2.0 cost expectation for 2023 could go from $1.54 to $3.63 for the year. Luna value expectation for 2023. Land certainly is as yet viewed as a quickly developing environment, and Luna is a focal thought in its organization. Luna could truly continue onward up to a greatest cost, as there is a monstrous market for land coins, which is genuinely critical, with the need to support land most certainly token qualities adjusted. Land will likely in a real sense fabricate a worldwide installment framework with negligible rates and no imperatives forced by public wilderness. Land is obviously situated to profit by DeFi's possibilities in a significant manner. Furthermore, expects to be one of the chief DeFi blockchain frameworks for ages to follow, as DeFi advances and certifiable use cases get more pervasive in an especially significant manner. The most elevated Luna value that can be assessed is generally $3.63. In any case, factors, for example, administrative worries could for the most part leave Luna's negligible expense at around $1.54. On the other hand, compelled by a direct projection, the typical cost could land at $2.59. Value estimate of land for 2024, subsequent to patching up the truly whole world organization of installments incredibly. Luna evaluating could set out on an excursion to make a huge imprint in this crypto industry. In such a hopeful case, the cost of Luna could flood to its possible high of $5.34. On the essentially flip side, an ebbing position in the business, trailed by bad analysis and falling volumes, could sink the value down to $3.41. All things considered, an equilibrium in trading tensions could settle the cost of the altcoin at $4.37. Luna value expectation for 2025. In the event that the organization figures out how to recover the trust of the crypto local area, with improvements and local area building drives in a significant manner, the cost of land could hit its possible high of $6.77. Conversely, neglecting to restore its unmistakable quality could droop the value down to $4.85. Progressively, figuring in the most extreme and truly least focuses on, the normal cost could settle at $5.81. What is land, or so they thought? The land framework's local computerized resource, Luna, generally is essential to building the stablecoin stake amazingly. It's being utilized to execute these stablecoins at a concession or a premium, contingent upon whether request is up or down, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Land is an extremely decentralized cryptographic money for quick and overall exchanges, which is genuinely huge. Land creation develops or shrivels, subsequently returning its expense with that of the fiat. In this biological system, Luna fills in as a settling token. In the event that some land digital currency values generally get unfastened from the government-issued currency they are fastened to, clients can trade their Luna for land, as opposed to mainstream thinking. It was the exact moment most prominent innovation in DeFi concerning generally worth locked and the most marked token. Likewise, it is an exchange-centered finance stage that integrates evidence of stake agreement with genuinely brilliant agreement functionalities, which is genuinely critical. Moreover, the developing reception brought about a good cost support for Luna. Land 2.0 value forecast. Land truly has areas of strength for a group, improvement biological systems, and it gloats among the main certifiable use occurrences among rivals. In 2023, our Land Luna coin gauge predicts that the coin will bounce back with more exorbitant cost levels in a significant manner. Land in a real sense isn't just developing quickly, and it is likewise coordinating to different environments like Solana and Binance Pretty Savvy Chain in a significant manner. According to our planned cost forecast, Luna's cost could hit a limit of $3.63 toward the finish of 2023, which is genuinely critical. On the other side, it could stagger down to $1.54. Essential examination Land Luna in every practical sense was laid out in 2018 by Daniel Shin and Du Kwon, who are the pioneers behind Terraform Labs, the firm that drives the Land Luna climate. The item debuted its mainnet and white paper in 2019, subsequent to getting $32 in supporting from backers like Binance Labs, OKX, and Huobi Capital. Land relaunched as Land 2.0 in the year 2022. Land Luna was created on the Universe blockchain as it generally was the main method for moving independent blockchain applications in the time. It will likely increment digital money acknowledgement by offering an assortment of commonplace fiat-based stablecoins, furthermore, permitting prompt exchanges across them. This takes into account sort of minimal expense cross-line and basic exchanges, eliminating the gamble of individuals battling monetarily because of the unpredictable idea of cryptographic money. Therefore, as opposed to particular computerized monetary forms, extremely, for example, BTC, Land's local symbolic goes about as a modified resource that handles difficulties genuinely like versatility, easy speed, and interoperability. Luna Notable Market Opinions 2022. The new symbolic's beginning cost was generally $7.90 on the 28th of May in a significant manner. That very day, the cost topped at as high as $19 prior to settling at about $5.30. The cost basically rose to $6.12 on the 30th of May, from where it sort of continued to ascend to $9.02 around the same time. The following day, on the 31st of May it endeavored to in a real sense return quickly yet couldn't cross beneath $11.46, which is genuinely huge. The cost truly railed down to $8.02 on the 1st of June and truly shut the day at $6.03. The next weeks didn't stamp an extraordinary recuperation as Luna proceeded with its negative pattern incredibly. Is it beneficial to put resources into Land especially? Indeed, it may as yet truly be a productive speculation, as it is a sound exchanging choice with kind of strong essentials and interesting tokenomics. How high will the cost of Luna ascend toward the finish of 2023? Or so they thought. As per our Land 2.0 cost expectation, which is very huge, the altcoin could hit a limit of $3.63 toward the finish of 2023, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Is Luna a decent midterm? Most certainly hold in an unpretentious manner. The Land biological system likewise urges clients to stake their Luna in return for benefits, making it an amazing mid to long-haul venture. What will Luna be worth in 2025, which is very critical? The cost of Luna could flood to a limit of $6.77 toward the finish of 2025, or so they thought. With a potential flood, the